Right here I have my 2015 Dodge Challenger that me and my dad have been rebuilding for the past year or so. It's looking nice and shiny, and that's because one of the last things we did in this rebuild series was give the car a complete paint job. Unfortunately, when we were painting this car, we had a couple mishaps and there was something that actually went totally wrong. We actually didn't mention it in that video, but in this video we're going to show you what happened and we're going to show you how to fix it. Do you remember, Dad, what happened when you painted this car?
Yeah, I think what happened was when we paint these cars, this is an old cross flow booth. We actually wet the floor down to keep the dust from blowing up and affecting the paint job.
Yeah.
And I think we might have just, one time the hose might have slapped against the floor.
Yeah.
And splashed water up and
hit the car.
Hit the car and hit the waterborne paint because we were using a water-based paint.
Right.
And
yeah, it interacted weirdly with it.
Yeah, and it basically just splashed a part of the bottom of this door here.
Yeah.
And I didn't notice it till after we had clear coated it. Mm-hmm. So now we're gonna have to just redo this panel here.
It's actually to the point where you can feel the texture.
Yeah.
There's big water drips. It basically just made the paint drip off the car almost.
Yeah, and it wouldn't have done it if it was not water-based paint.
Yeah.
But in this case, it was.
It sucks because it was the last layer and everything was going so smooth. And then,
so we'll just mask off this panel itself. We'll spot the paint in and blend it back into the bottom of the door.
Right.
But we have to re-clear the whole door.
That'll make it look proper.
Then it'll look like nothing happened.
Yeah. So that's where we're going to start. We're going to start by taking off all those parts again for the third time or something. But yeah, I say let's get to it. Ta-da! So what makes this whole job such a big deal is the fact that you have to take the stupid window out just to get that mirror off. It's, come on, Dodge, what's with that design? Literally cannot get at those nuts without taking the whole glass out. So we got all the parts taken off the door. My dad's gonna start by wet sanding the door, basically prepping it. What grit is that?
It's 800.
800 wet.
Yeah, and we're doing it wet. Works way better for this kind of thing.
Yeah, it actually cuts really good. Wet sand the whole door around and then probably sand out all the drips because you can actually feel them. So we'll see if they come out nice and smooth or not. All right, car is all ready to go. We got the car all masked up. Dad's gonna start putting some paint stuff down This isn't the actual paint yet though, right, Dad?
No, this is called a blending clear. It gives it a surface for all the metallics to lay down. If we don't put that on, what happens is if you spray metallic as a blend, it'll create a weird halo.
Oh.
And then after it's clear coated, you'll see this weird halo effect where we blended it.
Oh,
so this prevents that from
it
happening.
makes it blend together nicely?
Yeah. It gives it something for the metallics to lay down on.
Right, sick.
And then once that is done, then we'll actually spray the color.
Oh yeah.
And when that's done, then we do the clear coat.
Nice. Yeah. So let's start mixing some stuff up. So now that the blending clear is down, my dad's gonna actually start mixing up the fancy paint. This is the Sublime Metallic Green. Pretty pricey paint, but it looks awesome. So you're gonna mix up all those toners and then spray that on?
Yeah, that's the base. And then when that's dry, then we add the clear coat and that gives it a shine.
Nice. And then that's it. And
hopefully that solves the problem. Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Let's get that color on. Whoa, what in the world? Look at it dissolving. Alright guys, it's been a couple days now and my dad's busy doing something over here.
Yeah, we're wet sanding the paint. When you spray the paint, sometimes you get what we call an orange peel. It's like a bit of a texture just from the droplets getting sprayed on the panel. So we want to have like a mirror glass finish.
Yeah, we want this to be a show car.
Yeah, so I'm starting with 1200 grit and then I'm moving up to 2000 grit. Okay. And then we go over it with a polisher and we'll polish it all out. And then it'll match the rest of the car. It's a show finish, I guess is what some people call it.
Yeah, and then once that's all polished up, we can put all the trim and everything back on it, put the mirror on it. Then this thing will be all done and ready to go. Well, there you have it, guys. The car is all finished and it is looking super shiny. My dad finished polishing the door and he's gonna go ahead and polish the rest of the car. But now the door is looking brand new again and you don't see any of the defects in it. The next thing we have to do on this car, paint-wise, is actually paint on the blackout on the whole hood. Gonna have a cool custom blackout that me and my dad are gonna be painting on, but that will be in the next video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.